Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft 365 plan with Copilot and the latest Outlook build. Sign in with your organizational account, then enable the Copilot toggle in Settings. This links AI features to your mailbox. Once done, grant permissions for read/write access so Copilot can draft and summarize. You do this now because the tool needs mailbox context. Without permission, it cannot access messages or calendars. Make sure to restart Outlook after enabling to initialize the feature. You open an email and click the Copilot icon or pane to begin. This is where you instruct the assistant. Ask for a concise summary, a draft reply, or suggested follow-ups. Specify tone, length, and any recipients to tailor output. Once prompted, review suggestions inline and accept, edit, or regenerate parts. Make sure to add missing context, like deadlines or attachments, because Copilot draws from given cues to prioritize content and maintain accuracy. Repeat prompts to refine style and facts. You finalize by reviewing and verifying facts before sending or scheduling. Copilot speeds drafting, but you own accuracy. Use it to extract meeting notes, create action items, or craft follow-up sequences, then assign or schedule them. If Copilot gives incorrect context or fails to load, first clear Outlook cache and sign out, then reauthorize Copilot permissions. If problems persist, revoke the app in Azure AD and re-enable it. This refreshes tokens and typically resolves access or syncing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.